Here are some amazing facts about false cobra. Species name: the false cobra is scientifically known as Pseudoxenodon macrops. Family: it belongs to the family Colubridae, which is the largest snake family. Common names: it's also called the mock viper or eastern false cobra. Appearance: this snake resembles a cobra but is not a true cobra. Size: adults typically grow to about 70 to 100 centimeters in length. Head shape: the false cobra has a distinctive, slightly triangular head. Coloration: its coloration can vary but often includes shades of brown, gray, and black. Mimicry: it mimics cobras by flattening its neck to form a hood when threatened. Hood: the hood is not as pronounced as in true cobras but can still be an effective deterrent. Habitat: it is commonly found in forests, grasslands, and sometimes near human habitation. Geographic range: its range includes parts of China, India, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, and Laos. Diet: it primarily feeds on frogs, small mammals, and occasionally birds. Venom: the false cobra is mildly venomous but not dangerous to humans. Teeth: it has rear fangs used to deliver venom to its prey. Behavior: it is generally nocturnal, hunting at night. Defense mechanism: besides hooding, it may also hiss and strike when threatened. Reproduction: females lay eggs, typically between 4 and 14 per clutch. Incubation: eggs hatch after an incubation period of about 2 to 3 months. Young hatchlings are independent and resemble miniature adults. Lifespan: they can live up to 10 to 15 years in the wild. Vision: they have excellent vision, which aids in hunting. Heat sensing: unlike pit vipers, false cobras do not have heat-sensing pits. Climbing: they are good climbers and often hunt in trees. Swimming: they can swim well and sometimes hunt aquatic prey. Temperature regulation: they are ectothermic, relying on the environment to regulate their body temperature. Activity patterns: they are most active during the cooler parts of the day and night. Threat display: their threat display includes raising the front part of their body and spreading their hood. Bite: their bite can be painful but is not typically harmful to humans. Antivenom: there is no specific antivenom for false cobra bites, but medical treatment is rarely needed. Conservation status: they are not currently considered endangered. Predators: predators include birds of prey, larger snakes, and some mammals. Molting: like all snakes, they shed their skin periodically as they grow. Senses: they rely on their keen sense of smell and vision for hunting. Tongue flicking: they use their forked tongue to pick up scent particles and analyze them with the Jacobson's organ. In captivity, they are occasionally kept as pets, though they require specific care. Adaptability: they can adapt to a variety of environments, from forests to agricultural areas. Camouflage: their coloration helps them blend into their surroundings, providing camouflage from predators and prey. Evolutionary adaptation: their mimicry of cobras is an evolutionary adaptation to deter predators. Taxonomy: there is some debate among scientists about the exact classification of Pseudoxenodon species. Interactions with humans: they are generally shy and avoid human contact when possible. Scientific interest: their mimicry behavior makes them a subject of interest in herpetology and evolutionary biology. Cultural impact: in some cultures, they are mistakenly believed to be dangerous like true cobras. Defensive hiss: their hiss is meant to sound like that of a more dangerous snake. Geographical variations: there can be slight variations in color and size depending on their geographical location. First described: they were first described scientifically in the mid-19th century. Field identification: Herpetologists can identify them by their distinct hood and head shape. Regeneration: like many reptiles, they have some ability to heal and regenerate tissue. Breeding season: breeding usually occurs in the spring and early summer. Egg care: unlike some reptiles, they do not provide parental care to their eggs. Temperature preference: they prefer moderate temperatures and may become less active in extreme heat. Feeding behavior: they use both ambush and active hunting techniques. Juvenile development: juveniles grow rapidly and reach maturity within 2 to 3 years. Environmental role: they play a role in controlling pest populations, such as rodents and insects. Interaction with other species: they compete with other predators for food. Shelter: they often seek shelter in burrows, under rocks, and in dense vegetation. Water dependence: while not aquatic, they need regular access to water. Territoriality: they can be territorial, especially during the breeding season. Conservation efforts: conservation efforts focus on habitat protection due to their adaptable nature. Human impact: deforestation and habitat destruction can threaten their populations.